2026 Interior Design Trends. The Rise of Modern Tropical Japandi Homes. The evolution of tropical Japandi. The year 2026 marks a major evolution in high-end tropical architecture, shifting away from standard wooden villas toward modern structural Japandi design. By blending Scandinavian functionalism with Japanese spatial mindfulness, this approach reimagines tropical living through clean geometric framing, waterproof engineered timber, and raw natural textures. It is an architecture focused on structural tranquility, creating spaces that feel light, open, and permanently connected to nature. Natural material dynamics. At the core of the modern tropical Japandi look is a tactile contrast between soft organic materials and bold architectural lines. Light-toned waterproof ashwood joinery balances heavy hand-carved stone feature walls, while black powder-coated steel glass frames anchor the structure. Instead of visual noise, every material choice serves a distinct purpose, absorbing intense tropical light and casting soft, shifting shadows throughout the interior. Indoor-outdoor spatial integration. Defining this architectural shift is the total removal of boundaries between interior sanctuaries and exterior garden courtyards. Large motorized glass pocket doors slide completely out of sight into thick microcement walls, transforming the main living hall into a ventilated open-air pavilion. Microcement floor slabs extend uninterrupted toward deep outdoor eaves, keeping living spaces cool without relying heavily on artificial air conditioning. concealed lighting, and quiet aesthetics. As evening approaches, architectural illumination transforms the home into an intimate evening retreat. High-end Japandi spaces avoid harsh overhead spotlights, utilizing indirect LED light channels hidden within ceiling drops and beneath floating cabinetry. Warm, diffused light washes over rough stone microtextures and vertical wooden slats, creating a calm, low-glare atmosphere tailored for restorative living. Monolithic kitchen and sanctuary living. The heart of the residence features a monolithic kitchen island crafted from raw basalt stone, paired with hidden handleless pantry walls that conceal all appliances. Moving into the private quarters, floor-to-ceiling glass surrounds a minimalist wooden soaking tub overlooking a private courtyard. Integrating modern structural logic with raw and natural warmth creates an enduring asset that defines the future of luxury tropical real estate.